How to configure the Ghostty cursor animation 2025. Follow these instructions. Open Ghostty config file at ~config ghostty config or %app.a%\ghostty/config depending on your operating system type. Enable animation by adding cursor.animation equals true to the config file to activate smooth and dynamic cursor movement. Choose cursor style by setting cursor.style equals block, bar, or underline based on your personal coding preference. Control animation speed by adding cursor.animation speed equals 150 ms to adjust how quickly the cursor animates. Enable blinking with cursor.blink equals true for a visible, blinking cursor that improves focus while typing or pausing. Add cursor.smooth move equals true for a smooth gliding cursor instead of abrupt jumps when navigating or selecting text. Save the configuration file and restart Ghostty to apply the changes and enjoy a smoother, more fluid coding experience. Thank you for watching.